When you're growing tomatoes, some of the lower leaves start to turn a bit yellow and have served their purpose because brighter and bigger leaves are appearing as it grows up further. You can remove the lower foliage, certainly if it's not functional, if it's not green anymore. That way, you're stripping them out of the way so there's less likely for disease and more airflow around the stems of the tomato as well, enabling you to do more things at the bottom. Please give this video a like, share and add a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So as you can see here, I've got one tomato growing up, but I have taken away some of the lower leaves, which is enabling me at the bottom of this trough here to grow a few cheeky carrots, some salad crops, where I've got a little bit of beetroot and chard as well. And the key thing is to continually feed, certainly if you're companion planting with others, so there's plenty of food too. Now, using liquid feed specifically for tomatoes is really good because that focuses the plant's energy into producing flowers and from flowers into fruit. So I train this up. I remove naturally any side branches that are coming, and you can see them quite clearly. They go where the leaf joint is, they start to grow. You just pinch those out as the plant then grows in one tall column. And that way, I don't know, about 4 sets, 5 sets, something of flowers before you pinch out the top. You pinch out the top really to stop it producing more, because those fruits will be a lot later on, and might not make it in time with the season, and it concentrates the plant's energy on the ones that you are growing. But of course, tomatoes need leaves. It helps them photosynthesize and produce food for the plant itself, so leave the healthy ones on. And by removing the lower leaves that are damaged and aren't producing much energy for the plant, because it's the green leaves that are the real workers. Anything that's gone yellow or that's been infected by mildew or other fungal diseases, it's better to clear them out of the way and get them out of the growing area. But of course, by removing the lower leaves, it not only enables you to grow things underneath, but a good airflow. And the airflow will keep the plant relatively dry as it grows, which will diminish the opportunity of fungal infestation. If you like this video, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe for more content like this and switch on notifications to be notified of my latest videos.